that's a straight line. With 41 on the left, facing me. 41 on the left, 42 on the right, that's it, along. Like this. Get a fair exposure on the group task and also on the individual leadership skills. That is what the rules you all remember. The PGT is progressive group task. वो डंडा कहाँ गया? Tasks which are there. You are 9 group members. Right? The resources which are available, you got a plank, you got a bully, you have a rope, and you have a load. This is the start line, and this is the finish line. For inbound, only for men. Out of bound for the material. Red, out of bound for all. Yellow, same as blue. Black is not there. Right? In this particular PGT, beat with this block not available. Is it clear? Right? Distance between this and this is more than 4 feet. What is going to happen? How the last person is going to reach the finishing line, and also how the rope or the material is going to be taken out. That is important. Red, blue, 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 white. You have to go from the start line to the finish line with the same resources. This and this more than 4 feet. This and this more. The last one, gentlemen, is PGT 4. This is the start line. That is the finish line. Okay. You have the table shape obstacle. Okay. These are the 4 PGT's progressive group tasks. As you increase, you will find that the degree of difficulty is going to increase with PGT 4 as the most difficult. But that is only as per what we feel. 4? Anyone? So more than 40 minutes. More than 40 minutes. Anybody else? Just stand like 45 minutes. 45 minutes to cover all the stuff. So may I ask something? And color of the brick is white. Only that brick is there. This is the Paula modern PV person. Any other doubt? Anybody wants to ask? All clear? Right. Wish you all the very best. Be assembled with loaded material behind the starting line. Please go. I will tell you when to start. The rules which I have told you, and onus lies on you. There is no leader. Anybody has got idea, you can give the idea. Right? There, other rope. Only one rope is on. No, you hold that. The long rope is with you. Okay? The long rope is with you.
Sir. Happy, sir?
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Go on that step and then we will put plank on that piece.
Okay, mic again.
Yes, you can
Put on this.
tie the plank only here.
Yeah.
Only rope with the help of rope.
Okay.
This is the start. Be careful. From here. Now this can weaken forward. No. Tie it. Okay. And just be careful about the front side. Not give it. It's enough. Just make a knot. Make a knot. Now, gentlemen, please insert, don't touch the rope in the blade.
Make a knot in this. This in this. Yes. Then how to? We are crossing there. Then how to remove this?
Between that and this is more.
Like this. On the white. On the white.
You go down. You go down.
You can just put
yourself.
Gentlemen, that is not available to you. I will repeat the fatta together to increase the length of the rope, length of the obstacle, length of the resource.
You just put it here.
The way he is doing that. It is not supposed to be done. You can tie it to the stop.
Not available. Please. No, not available that one.
In this length, we will use this one. Just remove it. This is longer than mine.
Direct not put there.
Before going on, there you will just tie this one.
Gentlemen, is try
Please
the
have it.
reef note, not for any other soap. Only use for reef note.
Now this one is for less than 4 feet.
Now, using helping materials, you have to make your way out of the circle. Change the structure. Next time, start to plane over there. This part is blue, and the lower half of the planes are blue. Right? There are two projections given to you. This side. There are two projections given to you. There is the guard. Right? As the command task is done, you can break out. Okay? Any volunteers for this task? Who wants to do it? Now, as you will do the task, one of you can stand here. First, the area blue is out of box. Stand next to him on the ground. Right, now everything is clear. Anything you want to ask? Okay. Everything clear? Right? So, I've told you what are the rules broken? I think you people are standing on outer bound area. I allowed only one person to stand on the outer bound area. Okay, proceed.
One of you also can go.
Balli is gone now.
This Broly.
The Balli has gone into the minefield.
Yes. Put.
So gentlemen,
The Balli, please go back to the starting line.
the hands.
Yeah.
Please go back to the starting line.
That idea is correct. Also. That idea also correct.
48,
This idea is
go back
correct.
to the starting line.
Good idea. You will put here and tie the
Feet, so you cannot touch the line with the helping material. Okay, fine. A workable idea given. People also know the rules. Don't break any rules.
He will slip.
Go. Chestnut 49. Go. Go. Balli, you just keep it with you. Chestnut 49. Go. Gentlemen, you put.
Okay, now
Evacuate one.
equal.
And one person pass there.
Okay. Okay there. Gentlemen.
one can go outside now.
Okay, gentlemen, that step is available now. This step is available to you.
44. Okay, you want to 42. Now you can go because you are standing since a long time. 43 support here. There is no need to go onward and then support it. Please go onward at first. 1 second.
Gentlemen.
Hey, put it. This is. Give onward. No. No.
Touch the green blue plus.
The Balli. And chest number 41. Now you can go. Yes.
Remove quickly.
Please wait because you will have to help someone else. Please wait. Yes. Chest number 45. Please go onward. Please forward it.
Okay, gentlemen, I am going.
Gentlemen, one person support the plan. Next week.
Pass out the rope also. Pass out the rope over there.
No, yeah, more than 4. Should not be passed like this.
Okay, Chester 55, please explain me what is your idea. And you're trying to walk it from there. Okay, it's a workable idea, but I believe earlier what was done, the plank was fixed here, now it is tied here. Right? That is also workable, it can be done. Right? So very good idea, Chester 55. Anything else? As this will be the support and a person can walk out. Now instead of tying the rope here, if you would have tied the rope here, right? It would have given you more stability, right? Okay, very good idea. Anything else you can think of? Idea? I believe this has been done earlier also, but from that way. You have done it from this way, right? It has been. And grabbing something out of it? Yes. Right? Okay. Fine. Test number 55. Now these two projections are not there for you. Right? And that two directions are also blocked for you. Yes. Only these two directions are open for you. And you have a rope and this helping.
Load only. 1% will take load and come in.
Just you will stay there. You will stay there. Pass the
Go ahead, go ahead.
You will go. One person will go ahead.
Just use the bully. Gentlemen, the bully there. But the plank is also needed. No.
Gentlemen, you can use
2%. Go there also, na. In that side,
Put
3%
the
can
drum.
stand there.
Put the drum on
Just have 45.
near the bully.
43.
Overload.
By the help of bully, please go over there.
But distance is there. Fine. Gentlemen, I think that is the. We can touch the white portion.
You cannot do that because, as I told you, it is more than 6 feet. So, any rules broken? Test number 55? So that means this is.
Keep the plant between. You'll take it.
Give me the load.
One time mobile drum once again. Is that the requirement?
No, sir.
Do you wish to do that? Yes, okay, please continue. Whatever. I just thought keep.
Sir, please. This is move now. Now.
Used over there. You already used it.
Movable.
Already used, friends. If you
Please tell us. You want to use your manpower. You want to use your mind. Right? Using your power, if you use your idea, the good idea, you won't be there to give you manpower. If you holding it, one person will be standing on it, you got your hand. Alright? So don't do that. Right?
Just wait.
Just wait, sir.
Man, we can put this plank in this way. In this way.
Sir, no, gentlemen, just wait. Just wait.
Okay, fine.
allowed, permitted.
Okay.
Go ahead.
अब आप white पे जाके वहीं पे रुक जाओ. Stay.
White पे क्यों? Blue पे भी खराब.
Sir, please rope forward the rope over there. Okay. Blank rope. Just hold this rope and forward. Hold this rope and forward. Chest number 41. Okay. Sir, come forward. Forward. रस्सी को दोनों के बीच. सर, रस्सी 48. Chest number 48. 43. Please give us. So what is the
Available?
It's available.
Yes,
You
it's
can
available.
use this. That
You can use
is
this.
like a black place.
This is more than 4 feet.
45. सर ऐसा बात है कि खींचने के खुल जाए. Take the now 40 chest number 45. Give here.
There is a bomb placed inside in this bucket, right? You have to reach till the bomb, you have to reduce the distance less than 4 feet and the distance between this base and this line more than 6 feet, right? So you have to reduce the distance less than 4 feet and by touching the bucket, I will say that bomb is right? Very close to the folder, pick up the plant, the rope. Fine. In this car, there's a bomb placed inside the circle. Right? You're standing outside the circle. This space generates and the bomb. And the line outside. For that, some structures are provided to you for your head. Like there are 2 rods with some projections. Right? You'll be using them to reduce the distance to less than how much feet? 1 more feet. So that you can easily reach here.
You keep the ball. Gentlemen, firstly you keep the counting order required for a rope. No required.
This is not required. So last person will open this rope. First. This is the starting line. Starting line. So put the plank. So is it more than 4 feet?
Yes.
Put the plank.
This is also.
Okay.
Put the plank here.
Some of go here. Plank. 1 second, gentlemen. Steady. Okay. Don't move. 2% can go. Okay. Yes. You also.
Gentlemen, 41 you can go.
Just wait.
This way you come back. That one side से आ
Right? You are going to see hands out of bound point.
Gentlemen, 46. 41.